Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. I'm here with a project share that this project was done the June 10th. And this is where I had my chat, my subscribers in the chat help me or have me make different elements for junk journals and whatnot. Okay, so they said to do like these are journaling cards made with napkins. See? It's a napkin. These are all napkins here. Napkin. All journaling cards now, okay? This is a journaling card. Journaling card. Journaling card. Now, then I was asked to make a belly band. So I made 3 belly bands here. Okay. Measurements will be in the description box. And then we have some tuck spots. And this is going to be a side pocket. Okay. So that is my project share for this one. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that red subscribe button and subscribe. And hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. So please be blessed, be kind, be crafty, be safe, be positive, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.